points from any surface in Civil 3D. Like if you select this point, that time your all points and the surfaces will be selected because they are connected to each others. And you want to take a points from these surfaces, so it is very difficult. So because you have an options, go to the home and the tool uh, and extend this and go to the toolbox and take the surface point to the CSV, and after making the CSV you can import these points for making the surface. But here is a very important options and very easy option to extract these points. So first select this surface and go to the okay, select this and go to the extract from surface. So here is select extract object, and there is an pop-up will become. Here is an options minor contours if you want to extract minor contour, major contour, border and points. Because here we want to extract the points, so we will uncheck these points. And here is an option more, select all or one by one. If you want to take the sum points from the area of the surfaces, that time you will select from the drawings. Otherwise, if you want to extract the all points from this surface, that times you will have to be check mark points and the select all, then okay, and you will wait and your all points will be extract. Now you can see. So we type pt and select the point format and the point size 2.5 now. And this, if you select this point, it is separated from the surface and you can see the properties of this easting, northing and the elevations. Now you can take and you can make your surfaces from these points and raise or lowers or by the datums or the other things. So it's a very easy method. Thank you.